Okay, students, in the previous lecture, while writing the elements of the set, I had used the higher approach, NCR. So, first of all, I would like to highlight something about this permutation and combination, also the binomial theorem. This thing we shall say in binomial theorem chapter and permutation combination, but I want to use it here because there are so many students who want to know how to get the solution of this in a proper manner. So let us see. I like to give two concepts here. Binomial. There is a binomial approach, binomial theorem, and this is the standard form of binomial. Standard form of binomial. This is 1 plus x to the power n is nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube plus so on and so forth plus ncn x. This is the standard for binomial. Binomial stand for, it has two terms, 1 and x. Now here nc0, nc1, nc2, so on and so forth, known as, can be written as c0, c1, c2, so on and so forth, cn. They are known as combinatorial coefficients. They are called combinatorial coefficients. Now it is coming under the formula calculation. NCR is n factorial, r factorial and n minus r factorial. The word factorial is what? Factorial word is, for example, factorial 5. This is written as 5 factorial. This is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the method of writing the factorials. So n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the process of answering the question. Let us see these two approach we shall use here for getting the solution of this problem. That is the proof. Let us see. Since number of elements in set A is A, let given set is A. So number of elements in set A is n. N is what? Natural number. So we shall have it here that NCR is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. That we shall use it here. Let us think as per the subsets rule. First of all, we shall take the number of set having no element. NCR stands for, NCR is number of object, number of selection of R object from N. Number of selection of R object from N. Here R is less than equal to N. इस सब अप्रोच को आप ध्यान रखेंगे. इसी अप्रोच को हम यहाँ ले रहे हैं कि हमको सिलेक्ट करने हैं. टोटल एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास n है, इसमें कुछ एलिमेंट है ही नहीं, तो हम कहेंगे कि नंबर ऑफ सेट हैविंग नो एलिमेंट is what? NC0. Again, number of set having one element, we shall write NC1. Number of set having two elements, we shall have NC2. Now proceeding in this manner, we shall have number of set having n elements is equal to NCn. Let us think as per the rule. Null set is the subset of every set, so NC0. Every set is a subset of itself, is NCn. Now taking the sum of all, adding all, so we shall get NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus so on and so forth plus NCN. Now what this combinatorial sum requires? This is the sum of the combinatorial coefficients that can be obtained from the standard form of binomials. Since 1 plus x to the power n is equal to nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2 x square plus so on and so forth plus ncn x to the power n. Now put x equal to 1. So put x equal to 1. I am writing the top here. Put x equal to 1. We shall have 1 plus 1 to the power n is equal to nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus so on and so forth plus ncn. So this is the requirement for the number of subsets, and this is 2 to the power n. 2 to the power is the number of subsets. Subsets of a set having n elements. This is the answer here. So I have told you that mathematics is nothing but the expansion of knowledge in various areas, applying the previous techniques. So हम लोग previous टेक्निक को यूज किए. जो हमारा सबसेट है, एडवांस टेक्निक क्या है? कम्यूटेटिव कोएफिशिएंट्स को यूज करके इसको प्रूव करना है. इसके लिए आपको जो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट की जरूरत पड़ी, हमारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या है? बाइनोमियल थ्योरम है, हमारा टूल है. मैथमेटिक्स एक टूल की तरह काम करता है. बाइनोमियल थ्योरम हमारा एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म खास करके इसको लिया गया. साथ साथ कम्यूटेटिव कोएफिशिएंट्स के बारे में समझाया गया. फिर उसके बाद एनसीआर का फॉर्मूला यूज किया गया. एनसीआर के बारे में कहा गया कि यह है नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ ए आर ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम एन इज एनसीआर. फैक्टोरियल समझाया गया. तो बहुत सारी चीज एक साथ आपको समझाया गया, तब इसको अप्लाई करके आसानी से कर लिए. तो दिस द प्रोसेस ऑफ आंसरिंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सो आई एम स्टॉपिंग हियर. In the next class we shall see the relation chapter. So you just go through it and finally you will come to the conclusion of answering the questions. Thank you.